Okay, we are here in our hotel room and we're going to show you how to fold a fitted sheet. So first rule, when you look it up online, don't, because you will see people making all sorts of weird hand gestures and tucks and folds and things that are completely unnecessary and will confuse you. And trust us, if we can do it, you can do it too. Okay, so lay your sheet out vertically in front of you. For this, we're using a twin sheet. Bring up the corners to the top corners. Tuck one into one side and tuck the other into the other side, making a square. And just adjust your edges just so that they're a little bit extra straight. Nothing difficult about that. Then fold it into thirds. Bring one side in, and you bring the other side in, making a rectangle. And then you fold it again into thirds, making a nice little square. Simple.